In this video, let's see another IIT JEE problem which was asked in the year 1982 for 2 marks, and it was based on the topic of determinants, specifically system of equations. The question says system of equations, the first equation, the second equation, the third equation will have non-zero solutions similar to the previous question. So I advise you to watch the previous questions video before watching this video. I won't be repeating the concept of non-zero solution because if real values of lambda are what? And you see there are no options. Since in the year 1982 this question was asked, you were supposed to solve the question. I again repeat what the question has in demand. The question expects us to find the possible values, especially the real values. You see, real word, real values, not imaginary ones, of lambda, given or provided that you have 3 given system of equations, right? And one more thing given to you, that you have a non-zero solution. So let's start. We have these 3 equations for non-zero solution. I have already told you the solution goes like putting the determinant value equal to 0. Determinant of A, determinant of coefficient matrix. What out of these 3 equations serves as the coefficient matrix? Lambda 1, 1. Coefficients means coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. Then is minus 1 lambda 1, minus 1 lambda. The determinant is equal to 0. Simply you have a determinant. For 2 marks, if you need to evaluate, you can easily do, right? Let's expand along the first row only. Lambda is here. Expanding will ignore the first column, ignore the first row. Inside you have lambda 1 minus 1 lambda, right? This symbol, I hope you know all, is lambda, right? Here it is plus 1, which makes it minus when going to the second step. So it is minus 1. Ignoring the second column, ignoring the first row, you have minus 1, 1, minus 1 lambda. Next is what? Plus 1 is here. Ignoring the third column, ignoring the first row, you have minus 1 lambda. Minus 1 equal to 0, right? Now what to do? Just simply cross multiply to get the required answer. Lambda is here. Lambda square plus 1, minus 1 is here, minus lambda plus 1, so minus lambda plus 1 inside, plus 1 is here, you need not write 1 again, plus 1 plus lambda. So it is plus lambda plus 1, and that is all equal to 0. Now you see lambda into lambda square is lambda cube, lambda into 1 is plus lambda again, plus 1 and minus make it minus 1, plus lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Can you cancel certain things? If you can, please do. It is minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled. Lambda cube plus 3 lambda equal to 0. Let's write here lambda cube plus 3 lambda equal to 0. Can you take something out common? Yes, you can. Lambda is common. Lambda square plus 3 equal to 0. There are how many values of lambda? We do not care. But how many real values? That is the answer. Lambda is equal to 0, first value. The second value is what? Lambda square is minus 3. That means you will have something in imaginary and complex number which is not required. So only one real value is there, and that value is what? 0. The question was what? The system of equations which will have the real values of lambda are. Real values of lambda are? No. Is? Yes, and that is 0.